Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody and Merry Christmas. So today we will take a look at the Aussie dollar. Well, I have chosen the Aussie dollar not occasionally. Actually, it shows very fascinating setup on the monthly chart. That's why it really could take the far-going consequences that could last for 2 or 3 months probably, or even maybe longer. That's why it should be really interesting. And personally, guys, I like this a bit long setups because it will give you the direction in advance for a considerable period of time, and you approximately know the destination point that you should expect, and that lets you feel a bit more freedom with the trading, because you know that this long-term stuff that you have on the background works as some kind of the protection. So despite a deeper retracement or something of that sort, you know that market should continue to move higher if you have the upside setup. So if you would like to know what stands for on the monthly chart on the weekly Australian dollar and the overall setup while we're talking about it, this as usual written in our weekly research on the forum. In the 2 words, guys, we have the monthly grabber that should suggest the taking out of the 81 top. So we expect that market will pass through all this roll to the upside and take out of this top. That should happen within the 2-3 months probably. So that's the major idea. Also, guys, you will take a look at the sentiment analysis on Australian dollar. On the fundamental analysis, you will see that the performance in 2017 was really not bad, because the most commodities have shown really nice performance. The demand from the China was really significant, and in general, Australia shows not really bad numbers of the export and total income on the export. So this also provides some support to the Australian dollar, because currently, as we have estimated in our analysis in October that we have prepared, the major driving factor, guys, it also inner sources. So we do not have any external driving factors for Australian dollar. So we do not have some shaking policy from the Reserve Bank of Australia, so because they mostly take some flat position. That's why the only inner resource and domestic resource for the Australian dollar is results of its own economy and on its own export. So, but in 2017, this result was really not bad. That's why we think that the sentiment analysis and fundamental analysis mostly provide positive support, positive mood for Australian dollar. Technically, also, as we have the bullish grabber on the monthly chart, it's also positive and indicates that market indeed could show its upward action. So for a short-term daily video, our major task is to estimate the point where we could think about taking the long position with all this background. On the daily chart, guys, we see some important moments. So first of all, on the way up, market is coming to strong resistance area, 77.40 approximately. It's confidence resistance on the daily chart. Daily trend has turned bullish. Also, guys, take a look. The market has formed bullish reversal swing here. So this market showing this upward swing greater than this swing down, and this bullish reversal swing. But no deep retracement has followed yet. So usually, as reversal swing has been formed, deep retracement should follow. This happens usually in most cases. But here we don't have it yet. Still, market stands dropping since the end of the summer, and the bearish momentum here is rather strong. And that's why the conclusion that we could make here is that deep retracement is coming. That will be our chance to take the long position. Speaking on the depth of this retracement, well, here we could recognize only one pattern. It's clearly recognizable, and of course this is the head and shoulders. So take a look. This could become left shoulder, head. Head mostly takes the shape kind of the butterfly, but here the spike, it's not actually the pure butterfly, but the shape in general almost the same. So this is the head, and here we expect to get the right shoulder. Taking on the harmonic swings here, it seems that retracement should be somewhere. It's the bottom of this candle is approximately 76.20, 76.25 area, somewhere on this level. By taking a look in the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, here we have also some points. First of all, market is forming the butterfly, and 1618 extension stands approximately 7730. That mostly agrees with the resistance area, just 10 pips difference. So somewhere in this level is a good sign. This market really could turn down by this butterfly. Also, we have very good bearish divergence on the MACD. It is still forming, but market already stands at daily confidence resistance, and appearing on the bearish divergence and the strong level, it's also always a good sign. That's why if you're a scalp trader and you're searching chance to go short, you could use this butterfly around 77.30 with a placing stop above this confluence, and the target will be at least 76.30. So approximately somewhere around 100 pips, right? So not bad trade for intraday chart. This is your scalp trader. For others, for those of you who would like to trade the Australian dollar on the daily and higher time frames, and in general to follow the setup that we're discussing right now, we will be watching for a retracement down, guys. And the first level that we will be watching for somewhere around 676.30, because take a look at this natural support resistance area. It's also the bottom of the potential left shoulder stance here. But also we should be ready for deep retracement somewhere to 75.85, because this is 618 support, and the deep retracement of the reversal swing is normal. That's why roughly around 76 we will be watching for taking the long. A bit later, guys, probably we will be able to estimate this point with more precision, because if market will start to move down, maybe some ABCD will be formed. Maybe we will get some kind of the gutless triple two buying here that will let us to estimate with more precision the entry point. But currently, roughly, it should be somewhere around 76. So 76.25, 75.85. So this is an area of the 40 pips approximately here. Potential of this trade, guys, will be rather significant, so it will be above the 81. So the target you will see on the monthly chart. So 5 points of the Australian dollar is really not bad action. So as you can see, in general, overall setup is nice, and market's forming very clear pattern size on the daily chart, not the intraday chart. So different stops are possible for scalp traders, for daily traders, for long-term traders. That's why, guys, today I think that's not bad topic for discussion as a dollar, especially because we haven't taken a look at it for a considerable period of time already. So let's see how it will turn, and I hope that we will get the entry point before the year end. So maybe within the week, market will be able to reach it. So we'll see.